Dumpster rental service in Tullahoma, Tennessee. Are you looking for a trusted dumpster rental service in Tullahoma, Tennessee? Freedom Dumpster is here to help with reliable and convenient waste disposal solutions. Home cleanouts, construction projects, and renovations all produce large amounts of debris. A dependable dumpster rental makes cleanup easier, keeping your space organized and safe. Our team provides top-quality service, ensuring you get the right dumpster for your needs without complications. We take care of delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about waste removal. Flexible rental options accommodate different timelines, from short-term cleanups to extended projects. Keeping your site clean is essential, and we make the process simple with an easy scheduling system and prompt service. Our dedicated team works hard to provide the best experience for every customer. From the moment you contact us, we are committed to answering questions and helping you choose the perfect rental option. Transparent pricing ensures there are no surprises, giving you confidence in your decision. Renting a dumpster should be hassle-free. We are here to make that happen. Let us handle the waste while you focus on what matters most. Call 931-307-1231 today to reserve your dumpster. Freedom Dumpster is your reliable partner for dumpster rental service in Tullahoma, Tennessee.